We're just waking up here in Sama, or Sama Gaon, and looks a bit damp. Certainly a lot damper than it has done the past few days. Hope we don't get rained on today. We were in the itinerary. We have a rest day today, an acclimatization day, because we're up at 3,500 meters now. I think we're pretty well acclimatized, so I don't think we're going to take a full rest day today. But what we're going to do is we're going to hike to Samdo instead of all the way to Dharamsala. So we're going to have a short day today and a short day tomorrow instead of a rest day today and a long day tomorrow. The Sama is very big, but all of the guest houses are just building sites. There's absolutely nobody here apart from people putting extensions and fixing their guest houses because we're so out of season. So we've managed to find this one. It's a bit it's not perfect, and I don't think their regular cook is here, so they're having real trouble even making us chapatis. Yeah, should be a very nice, easy, short hike today. Hopefully we don't get wet. Another very easy hike today from Sama up to Samdo. The path was more of the same, a little bit less immaculate than it has been, but still very easy to follow. Weather held out as well. It was a little bit spitting with rain when we left, but cleared up nicely. And the views unfortunately have been obscured by this cloud that we're in, which is a shame. I don't think we're actually ever going to get to see Mount Makalu. But here we are in Samdo, and it's a little bit smaller than Sama. Hope we're going to find a hotel that's open. We had trouble in Sama, even though it was quite a big town. But yeah, easy day. It's only taken us less than 3 hours to get here. We've been hiking nice and slow, but it was not very far.